The Constitution of India, Preamble. We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic and political, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact, and give to ourselves this Constitution.
Hello everyone, welcome back to our computer virtual class. We are meeting after a long gap, right children? I hope you all have completed your pending works in the time you got. Many of you haven't submitted your computer notes. Make sure you are submitting it on time. Okay children? In the last session, we have completed our second chapter. Do you remember it? Yes. In the second chapter, we have learned about how we can create logos in GIMP software, right? In this session, we are going to start our new chapter. I know you all know how to open LibreOffice Writer and how we can input text into it, right? You also learned how we can edit those text and all, right? In the first chapter. Yes. In this chapter, we are going to learn to use Malayalam fonts in our computer. So, let's see how we can do it. Okay? As I told you, we are learning in this chapter how to input Malayalam words, right? And so, is our chapter's name, can you type Amma in the computer? നമുക്ക് കമ്പ്യൂട്ടറിൽ മലയാളം ഫോൺസ് ആണ് ഇനി യൂസ് ചെയ്യാൻ പോകുന്നത്. So, before moving to the chapter, do you all know how we can switch our keyboard into Malayalam fonts? Many of you might not know, right? Yes. To change the keyboard layout, we need to click on, in the desktop panel, you will be having an option, EN, icon. You will get an icon, you have to click it. After selecting it, you can choose the Malayalam font. See, desktop panel in the right corner, you will see this option, Ubuntu software. In that, you will see an icon, EN. Here, can you see? When we are clicking on that icon, you will get the option English, Malayalam, character map, keyboard layout chart, text entry. To make our computer in the Malayalam keyboard in the Malayalam font, you can select Malayalam enhanced scripting. See, after selecting it, you will get the Malayalam keyboard. Okay, and we are going to learn about InScript key layout. What is the InScript key layout? Normally in our keyboards we have letters from A to Z, symbols and numbers, right? And for other Indian languages, to make our computer able to type in any other Indian languages, CDAC is a central government agency. You might have heard it from in the newspapers and all, right? Yes, CDAC has developed the InScript keyboard layout. Okay, with the help of these things, we can input Malayalam fonts into our computer. See, നമ്മൾ ഫസ്റ്റ് ചാപ്റ്ററിൽ കീബോർഡ് ലേഔട്ട് പഠിച്ചത് കയ്യിലും 10 വിരൽ യൂസ് ചെയ്തിട്ട് വേണം നമ്മൾ കീബോർഡ് യൂസ് ചെയ്യണമെന്ന് ഞാൻ പറഞ്ഞിരുന്നു. ഇൻ ദ സെയിം വേ മലയാളം കീസ് യൂസ് ചെയ്യാനുള്ളതാണ് ഇവിടെ പറയുന്നത്. സി, കളേഴ്സ് തന്നിട്ടുണ്ട്, ആ കളർ അനുസരിച്ച് വി ക്യാൻ ടൈപ്പ്, റൈറ്റ്? ദിസ് ഈസ് ദ ഇൻസ്ക്രിപ്റ്റ് കീ ലേഔട്ട് ഫോർ ദ മലയാളം. ഓക്കെ, ആൻഡ് ഇൻ ദിസ് കീബോർഡ് letters in Malayalam can be broadly classified into two. നമുക്ക് മലയാളത്തിലുള്ള two. What are they? We have vowels and consonants. Vowels എന്താണെന്നറിയോ? Yes, in English we have 5 A, E, I, O, U. In Malayalam we call it as Swaraksharam. And the consonants as the Vyanjanaksharam. I think you all know about it, right? Yes. The keys are arranged in such a manner that all the vowels are typed using the left hand. See? All the vowels are in the left side. And you see, except the R. R എന്നുള്ള അക്ഷരം നമ്മുടെ വവ്വലാണ്, ബട്ട് അത് എവിടെ ഉള്ളത്? റൈറ്റ് സൈഡിലാണ്. ഈ R എന്നുള്ളത് മാത്രമേ നമ്മൾ റൈറ്റ് ഹാൻഡ് യൂസ് ചെയ്ത് ടൈപ്പ് ചെയ്യുന്ന വവ്വൽസ് ഉള്ളൂ. ആൻഡ് ഓൾ അതർ കൺസണൻസ് ആർ ടൈപ്പ് യൂസിങ് ദ റൈറ്റ് ഹാൻഡ്. നമ്മൾ കൺസണൻസ് വരുന്നതെല്ലാം റൈറ്റ് ഹാൻഡ് യൂസ് ചെയ്തിട്ടാണ് നമ്മൾ ടൈപ്പ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. ആൻഡ് So I think you got an idea about it, right children? And these are the letters and symbols. Don't forget to note it in your notebook. Okay? The compulsory ആയിട്ട് പഠിച്ചു വെക്കുക. Okay? And now we have the symbols. Symbols ഇല്ലാതെ നമുക്ക് മലയാളത്തിലെ അക്ഷരങ്ങൾ കംപ്ലീറ്റ് ആക്കാൻ പറ്റില്ലല്ലോ. അപ്പോൾ to use the symbols, these are the keys we are using. These also you must note it in your notebook. So in the practical session, I will show you how we are opening it in your computer and how we can input it. Okay, children? Yes. To practice Malayalam typing, we can use the K-Touch software. നമ്മളത് ഇംഗ്ലീഷിലും പറഞ്ഞു കഴിയുമ്പോൾ ഫാസ്റ്റ് ടൈപ്പിംഗിന് വേണ്ടി വി ക്യാൻ യൂസ് K-Touch typing. For Malayalam also you can use the K-Touch software. So get familiarized with the keys used in the textbook. You can see two tables. നമുക്ക് ഏതൊക്കെ keys ആണ് എങ്ങനെയാ വരുന്നത് എന്നുള്ളത്. After watching the practical session, you have to complete that in your textbook. Don't forget to write everything which is shown in the PPT in your notebook. Many are not writing. Many of you are only writing the activities which I am giving. So do it properly and send it to me. See you in the next session.
So dear children, let's start our practical session. In this session we are going to see how we can change our system's keyboard into Malayalam encrypted keyboard. Okay. For that, in the desktop panel you can see an icon EN. Select it. You can choose Malayalam Enhanced Encrypt with Ruby. Okay. Select Malayalam. Now you can see it has been changed to NO. That is, now our system's keyboard has been changed to Malayalam. You go to Application, Office, LibreOffice Writer. Okay. Now as you can see in your textbook, in the textbook you have an activity to be filled. Fingers and normally, and when the shift key is used, right? Right hand middle finger has been given, right? And you have to do the next activities. For you, I will do one activity, right hand right finger, and the first comes a greater than symbol. Just click on the greater than symbol, you will get a full stop. So next activity is to press the same button with shift key and greater than button. You will get the Malayalam letter L. So you can write it there. Now right hand ring finger, next one is letter L. You can press letter L, you get the Malayalam letter Ta, and again press letter L with shift key, then you will get Dha. Okay. Now our next right hand ring finger is O. It is the, and again press it with the shift key, you will get the. So children, you can do the same activity, that is in the right hand and left hand fingers. Okay. And this is our this week's activity. I hope you all understood how to change the system's keyboard into Malayalam and also how to type in Malayalam. Okay.
So children, I hope you all got an idea about how to change your keyboard into Malayalam form and how we can input our Malayalam characters into your document. Right? See you in the next session.